Hey guys, welcome to an episode of Initial DIY Mods. We're going to do a little bit of a product review on Ishin, aka C0 Media's new product that he has out on Amazon. The link is in the description. Check it out, and let's get to the product. Alright, so we got a little package from Amazon Prime, and Ishin helped us out. Alright, USB charger with a micro USB plug. Oh snap. This is like properly legit. This is like Mission Impossible. So obviously at first sight, this thing's actually pretty impressive. It's a little on the bulky side. So it sort of depends on what you're intending to use it for. One of the things I noticed, it's got a big battery pack on the back. This is gonna last a lot longer. Normally I'm using like a AA battery or something. My headsets never seem to last very long. Multi-adjustable across the top and the side. So let's get this thing put together and take a look. So we open the battery pack. We have 2 lithium-ion batteries in here. Pretty common rechargeable batteries. And you need to take off the plastic. These batteries are not in series, meaning they don't install opposite, they install both in the same direction. So they're both parallel, which means you've got long-term battery life. So you've got a few different brightnesses. Obviously it's daytime. If you twist to the left, you'll notice that it gets wider and wider. And that's about as tight as it goes. See how comfortable it is? A little loose. Don't have that big of a head. Pretty big hair, but not a very big head. Nice. It's kind of like it's like tidy whities. It's like a thong for your hair. It's nice, but yeah, like that's legit right. You need to focus. It's a little bit of a two-hander, I guess, just because it's elastic so it doesn't stay. So just quick review, it's actually pretty cool. It's definitely good for being under the car, but you can't really lay your head down since you've got this thing on there. But the cool thing is that since it's sort of form-fitting on the back of your head, it's actually not as uncomfortable as you would think if you're, have to put a little bit of pressure on it if you're on a creeper or something under a car. What I really like about it, obviously it's got the adjustable focus. A lot of the times it's hard to actually, if you need a pinpoint light versus a broad light, you're not usually using the same headlamp for that. So a lot of these, I always have to go out and buy new batteries and stuff. But this has not only a rechargeable with a USB, meaning I can just use my phone or my laptop adapters or anything like that. But also it uses 2 large lithium-ion batteries, and the benefit, of course, being you get longer battery life when you You've got longer battery life if you have 2 batteries in parallel rather than in series. So you do end up with quite substantial life for a long time. So it's pretty cool. Thanks a bunch, Ishin, for letting me check this out. It is on Amazon. If you have Prime, it ships really quick. I got this in, I think, 2 days, 1 or 2 days. And it's actually really nice, so go pick yourself up one and give him a shout over on his page and let him know. Thanks.